Deep condition my hair with me using Uncle Funky's Daughter Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. I applied this mask to freshly washed hair using the praying method to ensure that the product evenly coats my strands and that I detangle. Do you see how easy it is to detangle my hair using this? It just melted into my hair. This is honestly one of my favorite hair masks because I have high porosity hair. So my hair is prone to breakage and split ends, but this hair mask has silk protein, baobab oil, avocado oil, and aloe vera. So not only will my cuticles be smoothed and sealed, but my hair will be hydrated and stronger. After sitting under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes, I rinsed out the hair mask, and this is how hydrated and moisturized my hair not only looked, but felt. You can get this look too by going to your local Sally Beauty and picking up the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. Or if you like money off, use my discount code jinawiththeafro to get 15% off your order on the Uncle Funky's Daughter website. Bye y'all.